Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. I've got a current Basini. I've got a 997 Carrera S. I'm just checking the AMS meter before I clean it. So, if you look at the actual scan tool, my scan tool is picking up a AMS value of 1.0254. Alright? But if you look at my scope is picking up a signal of 1.209. Alright, it's quick enough to capture that. That's a live feed, and that's the max value, that's the minimum value. So this AMS meter has gone over 1.2. So this one captured the 1.2 mark. But if you look at that one there, this one here is still 1.0254. So this one, the scan tool is not quick enough to actually capture a faulty AMS meter. Alright. I think from memory, Porsche 997 says 0.8 to 1.1 or something like that, along that way. But this one here is already on 1.2. Alright. So this one here looks like it's faulty. So I'm going to clean it and just double check it again and see what happened. If the value go down lower, then I'm going to actually put a new AMS meter in it. But actually it's already looking bad right now because I can smell really high, really rich mixture from the exhaust. And you can see it's black here on the tips. So look again, it's 1.2, and the scan tool is picking up 1.0254. So in reality, the scan tool is too slow to capture any movement or any glitches in the AMS meter signal wire. Alright? Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.